Hey guys, why do I always pick the coldest days to work on stuff out here in the garage? Seems like a great day to work, and I got no heat in my garage, so sweet. Lots of snow. Yeah. I'm gonna try to bring this thing back in. Finally start working on it a little bit as a quick update. We've been slowly collecting a few parts here and there just to be able to get this thing roadworthy. Hopefully we can get you guys some better videos. I know I've been kind of grasping at straws lately, but cool. All right, I'm gonna keep digging it out and trying to get it running. So there we go. We did it, but it's bloody cold and my ears hurt. We had to give her a jump and she only ran with the choke pulled, so I got to play with the adjustments on the carb still, and the battery's starting to get weak. So yeah, it's time to go warm up. It's in the garage. If you're cold, it's cold. Bring it inside.